Hello all, it's time for a catch up on an account that I've shared many a times for content on POW's YouTube now, and this is a cent account that I've had going since October 23. We've doubled it, I have, and then kicked on a little bit more. Last time I shared, it's 114% gains, and as I share the video today in this account, we're now at 120% gains. Just going to give you a little lowdown of how the month of November went. Um, was nowhere near as productive as October, only coming in at a couple of percent. And there's a few reasons for this, and I'm still looking back through journals. I'm still trying to piece together the picture of why I'm getting these fantastic months like these ones here. And then some months I know I haven't been trading it much, slots on social trader tools, etc. Some months I'm getting quite low returns. For this month, I know exactly what it was. Um, when I test set files for this account, I use around about 3-4 thousand as a baseline for drawdown, which would be $30-40, and I look to combine 2 to 3 sets at any one time. I don't run any equity protection, which sounds crazy, but this is a cent account, and we've gone from $230 to now over 500. So I'm in for a penny. I'm in for a pound on this one. And my risk management is working to set files, like I say, around 3-4 thousand equity point, which would be $30-40 on a cent account. And then I let them run, monitor them, and if I see higher drawdowns, I then look to review that set file and potentially change it. And this month I was running. Here we are, the account on myFX book. Slightly different percentage gains, only slightly to what Social Trader Tools is showing, but periods of drawdown, quite hefty drawdown in and around middle of the month. The majority of that was coming from an AUD USD strategy that I was running. Again, working to a 4,000 drawdown figure. This, blitzed past that. We had some quite sizable trades in the end. I mean, we had 25 lots over on um, on one sequence, along with then a 12 lot, a 6 lot. This is all in one sequence, and we got out of that sequence, but the drawdown is now a new higher high. So I pulled that set file away. Probably a good move. Testing it on MetaTrader 5. It then ended up going higher DDs again, and it's not the drawdown I kind of want to see. So the hefty drawdown made me pull the set, and then I was left just trading a small martingale trend approach on USD CAD, which on my FX book, this is those stats in isolation. And to be fair, they were the bulk of the gains that month. Not slow going. Just to show win rate isn't everything. Look, only 52% win rate, but still up for the month, and the bulk of the 2% gains that we made. So that is still running at the minute. Currently in a few open trades for USD CAD. Just move that over there so you can see them. And I'm looking at getting a few more sets on this account to see the year out. And just going to switch to MT5 now and show a graph for one set that I'm lining up. It's a pound USD trend strategy using the ADX and EMA on Banker, and these are the results based on a back test from June to the middle of November. Left an extra portion of data out on purpose into December so I can add that little bit on when I do the single test, and that's what we've got. If we'd been running this on an account, I would have doubled from $500 to 1,000 by now. And we've got the stats here, and peak drawdowns I've seen in testing here is sort of 6,777, $67 on a $500 account. I'm just debating at the moment, is that too much? I may run this set on its own or just keep the USD CAD with it. It is higher drawdowns than what I tend to like to see in my testing, but the set file does also perform. So I think I'll get this onto a demo and see how it trades, get a little feel for it. There is a sequence open at the moment, quite a big sequence. This is a 0.5 fix lot strategy. We do have the odd 2.5 lot because we are running delay trade, a feature of Banker, and the delay trades are then combined into one total trade, which is why we have the opening trade at 2.5 lots. So I want to see how this sequence performs in terms of closing down. So I'm checking the data every day to see if it's closed. If it closes out without any bigger drawdown than the figure of 6,700, I might be tempted to run this set file or back the lots off a little bit, which in turn will bring that figure down and look to combine it with a couple of more like this just for the diversification aspect. So I thought it was a good chance just to give a catch up to where we are. Not huge gains in the month of November, but still ticking along well. In this process, I've probably gone and found a set file in this USD CAD one that is quite reasonable to use on a challenge or on a funded account for something around the 50k, 25k sort of mark. 900 profit and a low drawdown 0.7, so I've probably inadvertently found myself a nice set file for dollar accounts, but probably not quite suited to cent accounts. Cent accounts, you want to be trading that little bit harder, pushing it that little bit more, and getting months like this, in my opinion. So let's see what we can do with this tail end of the year, and we'll go from there into next year. Thanks for watching.